Speakerphone activated. You have 6 unheard messages. First message.
Yes, hello. On-call plumber. I called earlier inquiring.
Message deleted. Next message.
Yeah, hey, I've got a leaky sink. I was wondering if you could come by and fix it.
Message deleted. Next message.
Yes, hello, I'm just calling to inquire about your plumbing
Message deleted. Next message.
Urinal in my bathroom here just fell off the wall. Landed on little Joey's toe.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hey Mike, it's Nancy from the office. I'm getting some calls about you not
Message deleted. Next message.
Yes, hello, please pick up. This is a plumbing emergency. Our sewer line is backing up, and our basement is flooding with shit. I don't know. Knee deep in my family species, and I think our cat is in here, but I can't find him. Here, Fluffy. Here, kitty. Oh, God, this is...
Message deleted.